Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I was planning to make chicken curry today and I found this sauce mix in my pantry, so I thought let me use this. If you have any sauce mix, any brand, the curry is really easy to make. So the ingredients which we need are boneless chicken. I use boneless chicken because my kids like it. Coriander and mint leaves, tomato paste, store-bought or made in the home, oil, ginger garlic paste, fried onions and curd. Today we are going to make the chicken curry in the instant pot. First, you have to keep the instant pot in the saute mode. Heat the oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the chicken. You need to fry the chicken for around 1 to 2 minutes so that it changes color. Once the color is changed, add the ginger garlic paste. When that's cooking there, I want to show you that this sauce mix is not actually sauce mix, it looks like powder. So what I did was I added this powder to the curd and mixed it so that it became into a paste form. Mix the curd and the powder really well so that it becomes into a paste. The chicken and the ginger garlic paste is fried well. Now we are adding 2 to 3 spoons of tomato paste. The reason I am adding the tomato paste and also the curd is because I like the gravy to be really thick and we eat more gravy and less pieces. After a minute, add the curd and the powder paste and mix well. I thought the phone was recording, but it was not. So basically I added the coriander, mint leaves, fried onions also, and then fried it really well for around 3-4 minutes. Now I'm adding little bit water. And I have closed the lid and put it in pressure cook mode for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, natural release. It looks so good and it smells really good too. Time to dish out. The color of the curry looks so appetizing. I know it's a very simple recipe. I'm a lazy cook, so I look for simple and tasty dishes. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.